Want to unlink Instagram from Facebook? Here's the easiest way to remove it using the Facebook app. First, open Facebook. Tap on the menu icon. Go to Settings. Now tap on Account Center. Here you'll see the profiles that are linked. But you can't remove them from this screen. So go back one step, scroll all the way down, and tap Accounts. Now select the Instagram account you want to unlink. Tap Remove. Confirm again by tapping Remove Account. Follow the on-screen steps and tap Continue. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now fully unlinked from Facebook. You can always reconnect it later if you want. Follow and subscribe for more quick social media fixes.